Salehoo directory for dropshipping review, my usage experience. Links to Salehoo and related resources can be found in the description below. Salehoo is a trusted directory and research tool designed to help dropshipping entrepreneurs find reliable suppliers and profitable products. With a focus on verified suppliers and comprehensive tools for product research, Salehoo is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced sellers looking to streamline their operations and scale their businesses. One of Salehoo's standout features is its extensive directory of verified suppliers. The platform includes over 8,000 suppliers offering high-quality products across multiple niches, from electronics to fashion and home goods. Unlike other directories, Salehoo thoroughly vets its suppliers to ensure reliability, which reduces the risk of dealing with scams or low-quality vendors. This is particularly valuable for dropshippers who want to maintain a good reputation and deliver excellent service to their customers. Salehoo also offers an intuitive market research lab that helps you identify trending and profitable products. By analyzing demand, competition, and profit potential, the tool enables you to make data-driven decisions about which products to sell. For dropshippers, this feature is invaluable as it minimizes guesswork and helps you focus on products with the highest chance of success. Another key advantage is Salehoo's education and support resources. The platform provides detailed guides, video tutorials, and a dedicated support team to help you navigate the dropshipping process, whether you're selecting suppliers, optimizing your listings, or scaling your business. This makes Salehoo a great option for entrepreneurs who are new to dropshipping and need guidance to get started. Salehoo integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, allowing you to streamline your workflow and automate tasks such as order processing and inventory management. While Salehoo's directory requires a subscription, the upfront cost is reasonable, and the value provided through access to verified suppliers and research tools makes it worth the investment. In conclusion, Salehoo directory is an excellent tool for dropshipping entrepreneurs who want access to reliable suppliers, data-driven product research, and top-notch educational resources. Its supplier verification, market research tools, and user-friendly interface make it an essential platform for building and growing a successful dropshipping business. Check the links in the description to explore Salehoo and see if it aligns with your goals. This review should help clarify whether Salehoo is the right resource for your business.